Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So from any screen, you've got phone there. If you go onto phone, you'll see settings. And so long as nothing's connected at the moment, my phone is disconnected and there's no other phones connected in the car, you'll see this screen. So settings, click settings, select telephone or Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth. Now from here you've got Bluetooth visibility, hidden name, SKODA BT, paired devices. You want paired devices. And as you can see here, Richard's phone will delete that. Do you really want to delete Richard's phone? Delete. And Barry's phone, again, you just touch the bin symbol and delete. That's it, simple as that.